Hi guys, here we are going to implement the uh, table layout with the view pager and the fragments. Okay, so first of all, you have to implement this library from the Google design library with the relevant version. Okay, after that, I have one main activity with the relevant XML file. Okay, now now we are going to implement the our code. So let's begin. Okay, let's consider this project as a photo gallery in which one side in one tab you will find all the photos, and in other side you will find all the videos from the gallery. Okay, so for the simplicity, first of all let's begin with the XML code. Okay, so here you have to implement that table layout. First you have to implement this table layout. Okay, now height will be wrap content. Okay, let's give the id to it. Id would be id and tabs. Okay, now after that you have to implement the individual tab item. Okay, so it will be wrap content. Let's okay, let's give the id to it. Id would be let's tab images. Okay, great. Now let's give it another tab called tab item wrap content, and id would be mm, mm, tab videos. Okay, so that's done. Now let's let's give the view pager. Okay, view pager. So view pager have the width of match parent, and let's give the height as a 0 dp with the weight of 10. Okay, okay. Now we one more thing we have to provide over here is id. Id would be let's give it the my container. Okay, my container. Okay, now in that we have to give another string, so it will define that how the okay, how the view pager will behave. Okay, so app, oh no, app layout. Okay, I'm completing this. Okay, we have done this. So the entire code is now here. Okay, now let's move to our first of all let's have a preview of our application. Okay, in which we have this. Okay, let's give the name to name text to this tabs. Okay, so and this, let's give the text says images. Okay, oh no, is it okay? Right, okay. Where is the another one? Oh, I think I did a mistake. Okay, so here let's give text images, and here let's give text videos. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, all looking cool. Now let's move to the XML code. Sorry, Java code, in which first of all we will view, find that view pager and equal to m. Okay, equal to, let's typecast it to the view pager, find view by id r dot id dot view pager is my container, right? Okay, now let's also fetch this table layout equal to, let's typecast it to the table layout. Sorry, find it by id r.id dot it's tips, right? Okay, now for implementing this uh, tab layout with fragments, we need to create another class over here. Let's create it as a public class. Mm, let's name it as a section pager adapter. Okay, and this class will extend the fragment pager adapter. So this one. Okay, now this class must implement the two methods. The two methods is one is get item and another is get count. Okay, now this public class must have a public constructor also. So sorry, it would be the public constructor and it will be section pager adapter uh, with an argument of the fragment manager. Let's name it as fm. Okay, and we will do the things super with fm, right? So now everything is set over here. Now let's this get count is a 2 because we have the two tabs over here. Okay, uh, right, all right. So now we need to implement this get item method. In this get item method, this will give us the fragment when we scroll the page. Okay, so let's first of all let's give this as a position so we can have simplicity to understand it. Okay, now fragment, first of all let's have a fragment with a null fragment. Okay, now we will use a switch statement. Oh sorry, this not that switch, this switch. Okay, now this we will pass this position in this switch question statement, and then we will consider a different case. So first case will be the zero case, and the second case let's have it as a one case, right? Okay, now we will return this fragment over here, right? But don't have any fragment created yet. So for that, let's create that fragment here. So first of all, let's create the Java code of fragments. So let's implement this image fragment. Okay, fragment. Okay, image fragment, and another would be the video fragment. Okay, one is got capital and one no problem. Okay, now this two will extend fragments. Okay, okay, image fragments and video fragments both will implement the fragment. Now we can consider we can create here a new fragment. We can create here a new fragment so we can uh, use it. Okay, so in this let's that fragment equal to new fragment and fragment image and fragment image fragment. Let's first of all that image fragment. Okay, and in this fragment equal to new fragment called video fragment. Okay, now we need to break these two. So let's break here and put a break over here. Okay, so this work is done. Now we need to implement the layout of this folder. So first let's create the uh, image fragment underscore image fragment underscore image. Done. So and another one let's create it we fragment underscore video, right? Okay, now in this, let's give it a linear layout with context of main activity. So let's copy it from the main activity itself. Okay, so this one. Okay, okay, and we need also need the orientation also. So let's copy it and we'll paste it where. Okay, image fragment and video. First of all, let's do it by this one. Okay, alt enter. Okay, done. Now in this let's create a text view. And text view, let's give, for the simplicity we are creating this text view, and this let's give a text that all images will display here. Okay, and in this, okay, so let's copy this entire stuff and paste it over here. Okay, so this is done. Now we need to implement this here. So here we just need to override a method called on create view, on create view, on create view, this one, right? Okay, in this we need to remove this stuff and we are going to create a view called uh, images. Okay, and equal to, let's inflate that uh, that XML code. So for that we need to go with the r dot layout dot uh, fragment image, right? Okay, fragment image, the container and false, right? Okay, and we will return this images. Okay, it's done. Now same thing will be done over here. So let's override a method, override a method on create view. No, that's not that. Control on create view, this one. Okay, now in that let's create another view called videos. Okay, equal to, let's use the inflator to inflate r dot layout dot fragment videos and container and false, right? Okay, and return that videos. Good. Now we just need to do this minor stuff over here in the main activity and all will be set. So let's do that stuff in that. So first of all we need to create an object of that uh, section adapter, page 6 pager section adapter. Okay, so for that let's create a private section pager adapter and name it as a let's name it as a section pager adapter itself, but let's you add a little lamb over here, right? And now initialize this stuff. Let's initialize this stuff as a m section adapter equal to mm, new section adapter with get fragment. We here we have to pass the fragment manager, right? So we are going to get support fragment manager, right? Okay, now we need to set an adapter over there. So m view pager adapter dot set adapter, right? And this adapter will be m page section adapter, right? This two stuff has been done. Now we need to do one more thing over there, that we need to add we need to implement this two method on the view pager and the table layout. So first method will be add on page change listener, right? So m view pager dot add on page change, this one, right? On page change listener, and we will do this new tab layout, tab change, on tab change, tab page change listener, right? Okay, it's a very lengthy name of that method, right? Okay, now we need to add a table layout dot add on tab selected listener, right? This is, and in that we need to give that a new tab layout view pager selected listener on tab selected listener, right? On tabs, and we will pass the MView pager over here. So we have almost done, right? Now I think there is nothing to be done, so let's run these projects. So let me pause this video and show you after the complete of the build process. Okay, all right guys, so here is the project is running, and you can see that here all images, all videos. Okay, we have copied the same text over here, so this stuff is happening, all images and all images. Okay, so here you can do, here you can implement the view pager with the table layouts and fragments. Okay, so now you can implement the entire code to detect the videos from the gallery as well as the images from the gallery by yourself. Okay, okay, so thank you.